Bebafana siphethe umkhonto sifuna izakha. Bebafana siphethe umkhonto sifuna imali. Bebafana siphethe umkhonto sifuna izakha. Bebafana siphethe umkhonto sifuna imali. Bebafana siphethe umkhonto Bebafana siphethe umkhonto sifuna imali. Bebafana siphethe umkhonto Bebafana siphethe umkhonto sifuna imali. Ayase. You see.
Yeah. Get it in.
You see.
I'm on a mission and I'm carrying automatic. They're trying to use me because they know that I'm a weapon. Like I'm talking to those who try to use me because they know that I'm a weapon, you know. Because say someone who's useless to you, someone you won't benefit anything from. So I realized Gucci back then they realized that about me, even though me myself I was not aware of it. Understand? So that's what that line means. They closed doors on us. We found another one. Now everything we do, we know is worth millions. So I'm talking about Gucci. They tried to close doors on us when we were hustling. They tried to Gucci opportunities, but we were able we were able to push through all that. They couldn't stop us. So that's what that part means. Yeah, we know we the heat. Ain't nothing you can tell us. Like we know Gucci, we hot. We know Gucci, we do our thing. We're good at our thing. We don't need anyone's opinion. We don't need their opinion, what they think. We know who we are. That's what that part means. Broke days are gone because we're making money moves. Broke days are gone because we're making money moves. We're no longer broke anymore. Now we're getting paid to perform. Now we're getting paid to do whatever we do. Unlike before. Before we were doing everything for free. Because that's where we start as human beings, I believe. So yeah, that's what that part means. You mess with us, I promise you're gonna lose. It's rocking stars on you. So yeah, that part already has explained Iona. So we on the hustle every day, nigga. We're gonna win no matter what. We're working on this each and every day. There's no mahala day, there's no day off. Because we know deep down we're gonna make it. There's no other way. So that's what the whole verse means. Yes, sir.
I call this round bond or China's Funizaya, abaning by schooling, China busy chasing the dream. So like I'm saying like to our enemies, like mine is round 2. You understand, China? Like it's funny mad. Abaning by schooling, like China Zang like stay schooling, understand? So that's why like abanye like each and everyone like when they start music like okay let me do like this, each and everyone in this world like when people yakhe, understand, abanye baya esikoleni, abanye like baya emsebenzini, abanye baya, understand. So thina our part like is about to fulfill what we want to fulfill through music, understand. So angeke like siyeke into esiyenzayo because maybe ngifuna i-varsity or ngifuna maybe with this band. This is my life, so I'm here to fulfill this, so I must find a way to make money and thing inside. And then paying zange ndiye college, you understand. So lapho ngikhuluma ngami ukuthi mina ngiyanga college, I don't know if ngiyanga college unjani, I don't know if ngiyanga varsity unjani, you understand. I mean I've only lived matric in my life, so I didn't get a chance to buy like maybe in college or in varsity just to experience abantu life by experience ayo da, you understand. Fanele ukuthi umuntu afike se college akhulume nami like fanele ukukhuluma nomuntu angazi for God, understand. But only I know ukuthi into enginayo le gift enginayo, understand, and you like it makes sense more than anything in my life, understand. And then I'm asking you to change no more now. I did it on my own. I pray real God. I never doubted God. There like in shooting, like in a way like abantu abaningi manje out of the seven shine no okay life I'm change, I know. But man baba no more baba na envy, they want to see me failing, understand, because manje bayabona ukuthi into engenzayo like in a process khona pay yakhona, understand. So manje in one thing for sure yabakhombisa ukuthi manje I'm becoming this person bona I didn't see ukuthi ngifuna uba ubani, understand, because I'm saying lapho ukuthi anzange ngimdoubt uNkulunkulu shows ukuthi uNkulunkulu like uyena ongikhombile ukuthi mangiyenze kanjani i-ring le, you understand, because ngaphandle kaNkulunkulu bengeke ngikwazi ukuyishaya i-ring le, you understand. Each and every time angiprayer, I always pray ukuthi idala maze ngibonise ukuthi yenze kanjani i-ring le ukuthi ngifike mina ngifikele khona. So through their guidance they made me to become this person I am. He teased me when I was down, he say I'm a loser kanti mina I'm a gainer. There I'm saying like I'm telling to one of my biggest enemies, himself, which like the time like Puma, I have a background but like I was coming from a bad society, understand, a dark society, understand. Like I won't say the name, what the name of the society. It seems like maybe say promoter or anything, but I was in a society, this is the dark society. And then when I was there, Mang Puma, the best friend of mine, dissed me. You understand? Making this, he said to me like I will never be anything because I live that society. But now I'm telling him like he dissed me when I was down. He said I'm a loser. Can't mean I'm a gainer. So I'm telling him that I'm coming up back around two, and then mind like I'm a gainer. Each and everything I'm doing now, I'm doubling it. You understand? I'm way better than before because now I'm doing this thing in a clean way. I'm not doing anything bad to anyone. I'm just doing it in a clean slate. Everything that I'm doing like is clean, and it's all about inspiration. It's all about love. You understand? It's all about like embracing my culture. It's all about embracing my gift. It's all about embracing my spirituality. To understand? So I'm telling him like I thought now the time I was living that part. I thought like I'm losing, but I'm not losing in a way. Like I'm gaining something in my life. You understand? And then the last part, they say like, if you love me, I love you too. If you hate me, I don't care. There like I'm emphasizing like wherever he is, if like he's watching my music, he's listening to my music, he's watching my music video, he's watching everything like about me. Like if he loves me, I love him too. But if he hates me, I hate him too. I don't hate him. I don't care as such. You understand? Because like being hate, like sort of like I'm investing my emotions to hate him. So I will never do that. You understand? So I don't care because I understand where I come from and I understand why I'm here. You understand? And I understand why he's there. You understand? Because like if we are not meant to be with someone, you're not meant to be with someone. Okay, for me, like one thing about me, like I'm always real to myself. I always wear what I feel like I'm gonna wear like this because one thing about Abantu Abanga I understand, being spiritual, it means you are embracing who you are.
Exactly.
You understand? But we are embracing ngendlela esimodern esikhathini samanje. You understand? Because for example, I wanna ngicela amachini kanje. You understand? Inkosi zakudala, you know, like they used to wear like ama beads. You understand? Or as well like sort of angazi bayibiza uba yini into le ngathi like sort of wood, but bayenze like yaba amasekela like and bafake la, you understand, or amazinyo wezilwane, you understand. But esikhathini samanje into nje asazifake as much, you understand. So manje like sirepresenta ngani, sirepresenta la but amagolide, amasiliva, you understand. You just buy something or you customize ngale ndlela ofuna ube ngayo, you understand, because yafika as a vision to yazi if I can get something like this, I'm gonna put it like this and then be kanje, you understand. When it's come to even uyazi isiphandla mesikhona kudala, you understand, manje like sibuyisa like ngesimodern, you understand. Like sifama rings manje sifaka ama-watch, ama-ring and stuff, you understand. But yonke le ring le like yenza sure ukuthi iba ne-meaning. Mawungibuza ukuthi okay wawufaka into eso, for example ibhubesi lela, you understand, ibhubesi alazi yalo vele, understand, and yazi ibhubesi spiritual isho ukuthini, you understand. Uphinde ubheke apho la i-ring enobukhosi futhi, you understand. Ngobheka le ikhala like blue, you understand, ayine-meaning, ikhala ebomvu ine-meaning, and then like it's a scale less sokubhalansisa, like it's a love balance, you understand. Le scorpion, you understand, scorpion asine-meaning, you understand. Yonke into esifaka like is a meaning, like you don't just put something ongena-meaning, you understand. You understand when you talking in African content, you understand. But kumele umuntu azakubuze in order ukwazi uku-explain yena, but make ibuya from a distance I would repeat it to him, you understand. But in a meaning can wear something in a meaning, you understand. Fanele like more wear something in a meaning ukuthi wenza into ongayazi.
Even now just seeing this thing and decide to do it,
you understand. Just like uMensa Musa, you understand, like was inkosi yase-Africa, was the richest and made amachini, you understand, was symbolizing wealth, you understand. So my African me like ubona isithazini, I mean I'm come from a land, you understand. I'm come from a land that is that is rich.
Yeah.
You understand? You must not look poor.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
Where like we come from, where the land is rich.
Exactly.
You understand? And it's gifted.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
Because we are gifted as
Exactly.
like
Because all of this is made for me. We are like.
You understand? Because
Comes from
diamond, into that.
Exactly.
Yeah, so you can't look at poor spangenya or not manje sancenga. No. You understand? We live in this thing, we're doing this thing, you understand?
Yeah.
So into esimberesayo to like life yethu ne-African spirituality, like African spirituality is not about ukuhlupheka.
Yeah.
You understand? Not about poverty, it's about being rich, it's about being real. It's about being connected to your ancestors. But you understand?
Being
Like
your best
ubonakala uma uvela mantazini umuntu wamanedala akahambe eyi-one.
Yeah.
Now we're about to release debut deluxe album. You understand? Because already iphumile album and then manje shy deluxe, but so keep her after sibe phumuleni.
Yeah.
You understand? After sibe phumuleni and then it's gonna drop. Yeah, it's gonna drop it. But we'll never do a launch party, you know. One thing about us,
because
like,
it's launched the album
already. You understand? So
the album is already
out. So the manager is deluxe, you know, like we're just extending some few tracks on it.
Yeah.
You understand? Like talking about spirituality, talking about Okokobitu, talking about Timboni, talking, I understand, like just to enlighten people then with like who we are actually. Rocking Stars, then one thing for sure, and the man from Booker, Nastola, Rocking Stars Entertainment @gmail.com as well, like nesibuka khona ku-email yethu, and then social is Rocking Stars Entertainment, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Rocking Stars Entertainment, YouTube, everywhere Rocking Stars Entertainment. Album yethu iphumile in all digital platform, uyayithola ku-iTunes, uyayithola ku-YouTube, Spotify, Enza, Amazon, Bala Inina, everywhere, bafethu, understand? Everywhere. One thing for sure, I think on the
deluxe,
deluxe ngayo no. Deluxe bafethu ya dropper end of August. End of August.
Be on the lookout.
End of August, ya drop end of August because already my spana kuyo, you understand? And also in African spirituality masingena kwicalendar yethu thina kunyaka omusha ka-2025, masingena nje ku-August bafethu nimele nilinde balindele inyanga yokuqala, bayiqala iphela inyanga yokuqala bafethu nayithona kanjani masingena kwesibili. Wayasey
Webafana siphethe umkhondo sifuna izakho, webafana siphethe umkhondo sifuna imali, webafana siphethe umkhondo sifuna izakho, webafana siphethe umkhondo sifuna imali, webafana siphethe umkhondo, webafana siphethe umkhondo sifuna imali, webafana siphethe umkhondo, webafana siphethe umkhondo sifuna imali. I'm on a mission and I'm carrying automatic. They tryna use me cause they know that I'm a weapon.